Some cricket issues on the Mavericks' mind this evening. This decision by the West Indies Cricket Board to meet with renegade cricketers Dwayne and Darren Bravo, Kieron Pollard and Sunil Narine, according to WICB, this meeting will be to reach out to these players in seeking a way forward in terms of their commitment to West Indies cricket and their international careers. But question, why is the West Indies board meeting with players who don't want to play for the West Indies or want to play for the West Indies at their own convenience? Why is the West Indies Cricket Board even looking at Darren Bravo? A man who threatened to carry them to court after he disrespected the president and was suspended. The board buried the hatchet, select the man for the West Indies again, and all them get from Darren Bravo is not available, not available. Why is the West Indies board in an argument with Darren Bravo? Them have no shame. As for Dwayne Bravo and Pollard and Narine, they were all not available to play in the World Cup qualifiers, and West Indies qualify without them. What the board do now? Beg them to come play the World Cup. And look, we're not talking about Viv Richards, or Gordon Greenidge, or Michael Holding, or even Brian Lara, who are real stars and champions of West Indies cricket. It's Bravo and Pollard them who helped sink West Indies cricket. And the West Indies board is seeking audience with these players. Watch a man. If it's up to me, if these players want to see West Indies again, they have to buy a ticket. I don't know why we are talking about cricket. I don't work over it. Why we are talking about cricket? Why we are talking about cricket?